Oh, baby. Man, as you come in and know the thing go. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. Butter up some women at night, yeah. Take you by your hand, you understand. Go on. Put out them little things, and then waste them. Like well sharp now. Yeah, right now we live like the 10 o'clock news, you know. I done the place and yeah, the top chef, you know. Look at that. I bought some wings and some homemade fries, you know. And the skillet right there, so. You know, a Jamaican chef, you know. Look at that, and yeah, the top chef. See that? I want a green line. Alright, with the green line, you know? Got a clean the chicken now, you know? You know the thing, go get the green lime. We're gonna wash the chicken right now. We'll go on in the chat. Wash your meat, you know? Some green lime, some vinegar. Or just some green lime, or just some vinegar, you know? For a lifetime. Calling.
I hear them calling up my name. Calling. Just to bring the light to shine. That's how we go. Safe, how we set up.
I want to keep the area clean.
That's how we go. That's how we set
All going in this one now.
Oh, yeah.
And some ingredients now you take out, yo.
Safe, how we set up.
You know?
That's how we go. That's how we set. Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
See some of you hungry in the street, don't tell me how does it. Some can't go to school, education is so high, tell me you will still be playing. Mom and dad work so hard for our country. They do not know they can't get no pension.
So after you wash your meat,
Show them a little attention.
go and make the stove hot, you know? Because you want the stove well hot. You know? You just feed me to the favorite season, you know? Some pepper. Make sure you know follow the back chef, you know, the top chef. Big up on yourself.
Don't break no fines.
Come on.
It's time for we to make right. Got a feeling something to believe.
See that? Ready for the pot, you know.
The world is a cycle. Never feel happy after the world in a cycle. Yeah, yeah. The world is a cycle. I never feel happy after the world in a cycle. First you take the step you take, elaboration made. Because the little things you do is coming back at you. But did you think it might just be a destiny? I might just write about the acts you gave my victory. Okay, do right.
You want to share the live? Tap up the screen for me there, please. At the top chef in the kitchen. We just started, you know? Let's get it out there. Wait on the oil, you know?
So if I see you stumble, I'll catch you for the fall.
bought up some fries, you know. Yeah man, walk on at the chatter, yo. Thanks for the like, you know. Make sure you follow the Top Chef, you know. Yeah man, for all the Jamaican recipes. Yeah. My new recipe book is also out now. You know what I mean? The link is in my bio. Yeah man, at the Top Chef. Look at that. Yeah. The shot again. Fire to the heathen. So you don't know you turn on the stove and let the oil get hot. In the meantime, I'm gonna peel some of this stuff. What that? Yeah. Lisa, big up yourself, you know. Go on. Welcome back to the kitchen, you know. Guys, my recipe book is out now. The link is in my bio for my brand new recipe book, you know. Top 5 Jamaican recipes. You know what I mean? You see the oil now, want the oil well hot. It's the only life I know. Street life. Oh. Yeah man, we bought up some wing right now. We just wait on the oil to get hot, you know what I mean? Yeah man, the Jamaican Top Chef, you know? Look at that. Yeah. Thanks to the follow, you know, all that. Full of glow. Bounty Killer, what a name. Thanks to the follow, Full of Glow. Welcome to the kitchen, you know? We cook food from scratch. Till the pot done, isn't it? Where you? In the dark. But them no smart. Alright, the pot look like it's ready now, you know. You finish down now, because you can feel the heat. Man, I can't believe if I come in. And down, man. Wash your hands. It's not go sweet. Find food to eat. Oh. turn up the stove. Alright. Yeah man, we're there in the kitchen, yeah man. A piece of ginger you don't know what go on. Kwenga! Oh, wow. You should have told me no ginger, you know the shrimps in the cut. What go on. Yeah man, share the live man, big up yourself, you know, full of glow. Yeah man, at the top chef, you know, look at that way in the kitchen. We are going to fry them dry and we are going to make a sauce for them, you know. So we are going to keep some dry and we are going to have some barbecue fried. Look at. I'm gonna make some warm fries, you know. Yeah man, tap up the live man, follow the page, you know what I mean? Share the live, big up on yourself, you see me I say? Big up in a Kwenga, big up in a full of glow. Oh wow, that name the body, no man, full of glow. Make sure you follow the page, you know. The new recipe book is also out now. The link is in my bio, you know. Good evening. Mary Rose, big up yourself. Welcome to the kitchen, you know what I mean? Hope you're following the top chef, you know what I mean? For all the Jamaican recipes. Yeah man, big up man, you don't know the top chef there, you know? Follow the page for more, you know? But we are about up some late night snack right now. This is just a snack right now, you know? Late night. You see me? Some day I go and chill with the eye them, you know? You know the thing go. Yeah man. Alright. Yeah man, we're there in the kitchen, you know. Thanks to the badge. Big up yourself. Share the live, you know. Now we are going to wash your potatoes. Again. Nice again. go and fry, man, you know? We want our things fry well done and good. Isn't it? Alright.
It's a state of mind. We're trying to get over, but the things ain't fine. We're rising up early in the morning time. If no man know our wait in line. In the city, in the pretty, the leaders get pretty. Some friends and some your mom. And they use them to go. We need food, but the food never farm. The people are bad, so it's hard. Things get hard, things get hard. Over the ground, it's not meet again. The last I'm no friends, but the ends. Church people are bad.
What's on hand and I do them thing, I know.
Things get hard, most die of circumstance. So we call him, but there's no response. I'm trying to like goodbye. Give me a moment just to remind you of the love we've not made before. The reason you can't close this door, I see confusion in your eyes. And maybe I really surprised the way we make love under moonlight. Tomorrow you'll sit in your eyes. Come away in a dream. It's worth not what it seems. There'll be no gold at the end of the rainbow. Birds don't fly in the rain of the window.
I watch them again, you know.
Love is getting stronger every day. Oh, stronger every day. Tell me that diamonds are your friends, but diamonds won't be there in the end. I give you my love to remember. I give you a home. You should give me 45. Nothing in this world can justify. Looking at your heart for I and I. You and I, baby. Baby, it's just me. A time to sit with the weekend. It's a chance to practice together. We can go with such a forever. In a dream. It's worth not what it seems. There'll be no goal at the end of the rainbow. Birds don't fly in the rain of the rainbow. Come away in a dream. Life is not what it seems. I really don't always live forever. But my love is getting
Thanks for the rose, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. No one in this lifetime can love you like I do.
things that people say that I've never hurt you. You never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind. The time is right. Baby, when you're at your best, let us put up your
See that? Look at that. You see me? Oh, yeah, go wash it. Oh, God. Hey. Oh, never mind. Alright, so wash them.
When time comes around and no one's around, I'll be there with you.
Add some water to it. And a tablespoon of salt, one of them.
Friends say that you are not sincere. Your friends said to see me care. You didn't feel the realness in me.
Let that go and soak, you know.
Your friends said that you are not sincere. Your friends said to see me care. You didn't feel the realness in me. Love.
Which you think? Yo, make sure you know follow the Top Chef, you know. Thanks to the follow, you know. Yeah, man, at the Top Chef, we in the kitchen tonight, you know. Share the live, like the live, do something to the live. Talk to me, do something. So we have bitter left to fry and then we have this, isn't it? Yeah, Jordan what there? They're in New York right now, you know? Go and bad up the place. Yeah man, we're there, you see me? Yeah man, thanks for the follow, you know. Roxanne, big up and thanks for the follow, you know. Pumpkin Maria, thanks for the follow. Big up yourself, welcome to the kitchen, you see me I say? Okida, thanks for the follow, welcome to the kitchen. Bob, 66, thanks for the follow. Yeah man, welcome to the kitchen man. Karen, welcome to the kitchen, you know. Good night, go on Patricia. Big up yourself, you know. They are fry some wing and some homemade fries, isn't it? Yeah man, we're there in our kitchen tonight. You see me I say? Yeah man, food look nice man, it tastes good too, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, I order Terence. Me I make some wings, isn't it? So we are fry them dry and me I gonna make a sauce, some barbecue wings. Top Chef barbecue wings, you know what I mean? The Jamaican way, the Top Chef way, you know? Look at that. Yeah man, and we have some homemade fries, we just have to fry it out. You see me? Everything fresh, you know what I mean? Better than McDonald's. Yeah man. Share the live my people. And follow it, you see me I say? Follow the page. You see me? You know the thing go at the Top Chef. Big up, like up the screen, top up the screen. We could get it to 2,000. You see me? Janice, big up and thanks for the follow, you know. Welcome to the kitchen. You see me? My name is Top Chef down the place. Cook Jamaican food, you know what I mean? I got every Jamaican recipe. You know what I mean? Head over my page when you're ready, you know, when you got some time, you know what I mean? Feel free to ask me anything. Yeah man, you know the thing going on. Terence, big up yourself, you know. Let me see what I'm going to second. You see me? So we cover it tight. When you cover the pot, it's going to get crispier. And inside going to cook. You know what I mean? You can even eat the bones if you want to. You know what I mean? Look at that at the Top Chef. Yo, my recipe book is out now. You know, the link is in my bio. Feel free to go purchase that. My 5 favorite Jamaican recipes is in that book. You know what I mean? I give you all the recipe that you need. And hands down instructions, you know what I mean? So if you want my recipe book, the link is in my bio. Yeah man. Big up everybody, you know, who this? Yeah man, I who this? New York. Me I cook some Yes, back to the pot, you know. I'm cooking some barbecue wings, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna have some dry, you know what I mean? So I'm frying them right now. After that I make the sauce, put the sauce on it. Then I make some homemade fries, you know what I mean? Yo, Donna, thanks for the follow, you know. Big up yourself, you know the thing going on. The Top Chef, you know, we in the kitchen tonight, you know. Look at that, you know. Make sure you know I like the live, you know. Make sure you know I share the live, you know. You know the thing going on. Make sure you know I follow the Top Chef, you know. Look at that. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Oh. You can't take no more slackness. You can't change the lives of man, but you can't change the lives of God. So if you're not having a big cause, they're glad. If you change, I will see what they man. Somebody tell me what is happening. I flew on the fishing on the eyes and lips to see my son become a father. I'm a creative switch. The situation kind of very ridiculous. But everybody fed up from parish to parish. Yes, that's the moment they concern. I know that they will want to see a decision. As I sit this movie, like a lot of answer. The truth is, I know that you are with children and children. If you feel like I'm body, keep it to yourself. Now bring it to Jamaica, keep it to yourself. Back, what going on now? Yeah man, tap up the life man. I could get it to 2,000 people. Yeah man, old school meal man, is a snack right now in the night time, you know. Bad snack. You see me I say? You know the supermarket lock right, shop lock right now, you know. So anything we find we cook, you know. So like our shop lock and I want fries and wing. We have some wing. See the wing there? We have some Irish potato. See the fries there? Look at that. Yo, big up yourself, you know. Double spread, big up yourself, you know the thing going on. At the top chef and we in the kitchen, you know. Look at that, tap up the screen there for me. I could get it to 2,000. You see me? Yeah man, big up yourself. Morris, big up yourself, you know the thing going on. Yeah man, you don't know Patricia, you know the thing go. Yeah man. I want that you showed up. What the pray? Let me know what going on man. You see me? My recipe book out now, you know. The link in my bio. Put this to the side, the fries are going to soak, you know. Go and soak in some salt water for now. Then are soon done. Then we put in the next one. Yeah man. Thanks for the follow, you know. Make sure you know follow the top chef, you know. Thanks for the 2,000 like, you know. Well you know say now we want to get to 3,000, you know. So like up the screen there for me and share the live for me. Big up on yourself, you know, the top chef in the kitchen. Show it. Yo, thanks for the follow, you know. What's your name? Yo, Turbreach. That's what your name? Big up yourself and thanks for the follow, you know. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. We could get the like them to 3,000, you know. At the top chef, you know. Then they're ready, you know. Yes, I'm proud. I'm broader than Broadway. When you go to volcanoes like a stage. Oh. One them try nice, you know, cook, you know. Nice, you know. Eat about 3 more minutes, isn't it? Here I come. E-Money, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know, E-Money. Welcome back to the kitchen, you know. You know the thing going on there. Big up yourself, you know. Marcus, big up yourself, you know. The top chef ready, you know. Make sure you know follow the page, you know. I owe that. Make sure you know like up the page, you know. We could bring it to 3,000, you know. If the wing them look nice, we could bring it to 3,000. I'm not see nothing yet, you know. See? stone. You got to water it.
I never seen a black rose in a garden. So you see, my garden is so special. Oh yeah, black roses in my garden. Black roses in my garden.
Look at that.
Black roses.
Yeah man, see there, you know, the room them bad and dry and nice, watch it. Watch it. Look at that, look there. Yeah man, the bad man, if you bad, follow the page if you bad. Yeah man. Yeah man, some Barbie fry. You see me? Say if the wing them bad, follow the page and like it up or do something. Yeah man, the recipe gonna be on the page by your A-Money, you know the thing, you know.
Black roses in my garden. Black roses in my garden. Black roses in my garden.
Oh, Lord of mercy. Yeah man, try it out, my J. Yeah man, well seasoned to the bone, man. You see me? You know the thing, man. I saw the Top Chef work, you know. Make you bring the light them to 4,000, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Big up all who there from the start, you know. And all who just reach. You know the thing, you know. Big up same way, you know. You see me? But follow up the page, you see me? Like the page, share the page. Do everything. The recipe book out now. Link in at the bio. Share them. Yeah man, big up on yourself, man. Make we take it to 4,000.
Thank you. Hear this one on the radio program. Pick up like a us and stand it down, yeah. Anywhere we go, never shake off the iron.
So we make the sauce, you know, me have some sauce to make right now, some bad sauce. Isn't it? Big tune.
Now I realize you never know. I think I love you more. Ow. Down, pretty ladies, around.
Yeah, man, with the 4,000 now. You know, the next goal of 5,000, you know? Yeah, man, tap up the screen, man. If you win, them look bad, man. You see me, them no look sad, man. Look at that. Yeah, man, the wing, them ready, down. Yeah, man. And it never done yet. This just halfway, because we have a barbecue it. You see me? We have put some barbecue sauce on it, you know? You see me? And body it up the real way. Well, go on, if you're there, you know, and I watch, you know, just follow the page, you know. Big up for the follow, you know. Thanks for the share, you know. I owe that Cindy. Thanks for the follow, Cindy. Welcome to the kitchen. You see me, I say? As you come in, just like up the page and share the live. Follow the page if you're there a long time. I watch the chicken I fry. Got one follow now go earth, you know. At the top chef, you know. You see me, I'm not going to cook no foolishness, you know. I cook food where you can cook, you know. You see me give you hands down instructions on how to cook the food, you know what I mean? Yo, big up for the follow, you know. I owe this. Lady, big up for the follow, you know what the thing go, you know. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. At the Top Chef. My new recipe book is out now. The link is in my bio. You can go purchase that, you know what I mean, if you want to cook like the Top Chef. You know the thing go, at the Top Chef. Yeah, man, share the live, man. Follow the live. Thanks to the follow, you know. Everybody were there, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Hope you all having a good night. Now make some barbecue wing right now. Brandy, big up yourself. Thanks for the follow, you know. No matter where you are in the world right now, you know what I mean. Hope you're living good, you know what I mean. Having a healthy life, you know what I mean. Live life because life short, isn't it? We have one time we are go dead, isn't it? Everybody is soon gone, you know. But hear me I say, live life, man. Life did if you live, isn't it? Yeah, man. In a life, you know, if you know, say, you just born for dead, isn't it? So just live your life. So right now, I eat some food in the late night. You see me? Me and my wife. Look at that. Yeah, man. Thanks for the follow, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself, isn't it? Yo, man, I say big up, you know, and thanks to the follow, you know, everyone. Isn't it? So you follow the page, you get all of the Jamaican recipes. I think we cook everything already. Except cow foot, me never cook cow foot. You never cook it, isn't it? Big up yourself, you know, thanks, you know. Yeah, man, my recipe book, the link is in my bio, you know, I hope you got it, you know what I mean? Thank you, my 5 favorite Jamaican recipes, you know. Part 2 coming out maybe September. You know what I mean? Thank you very much. Good as, Sophie Good as. Big up yourself, you know, my friend. Yeah, man, I hope you got the recipe book, you know, so if you want to support the Top Chef, just click the link in my bio and get my new recipe book. You see me I say? Yeah, man, that's my first recipe book. You know what I mean? Top Chef done the place. You see me? Yeah, man, at the Top Chef. Right now we are bad up some barbecue wing, you know? So I soon make the sauce, you know, some secret sauce, you know, them sauce here. And my secret sauce, you know. Seasoned with the islands, you know what I mean? Flavor, you know. Yeah, man, big up, you know, Sophie Good as, you know. You know the thing, man. Yeah, man, open and follow the page, you know. Yeah, man, at the Top Chef, man. In the kitchen, late night. Over. You can't print me. Can you see how much I really love you? And I say it to you time and time again. And I don't want to let you down. Yes, sire. You know, so me never get the mustard though. But next time, you know. Yeah, man. I don't want no mustard tonight though, you know. Yeah, man. Casanova, and Romeo and Karen and friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I say it to you time and time again. Oh, Casanova, Casanova, can't let it get away. Oh, baby. Watch this. Yeah, man, you don't know. Yo, Cheryl, big up for the share, you know. Yeah, man, me a try it, man. Yeah, man, we fry them dry and then we put some sauce on it, you know. It's good like this, you can eat like this right now, you know what I mean? You see me? Well dry and nice. Yeah, man, make sure you know follow the page, you know. Follow the Top Chef, you know. You see me, I say, get my new recipe book, you know, the link in my bio, you know. Yeah, man, if you want to support the Top Chef, that's what you do, you know. Just copy the recipe book and try one of the recipes. Then you see me, I say, the link in my bio at the Top Chef. Yeah, man, we about up some barbie fry wing right now. You see me, I say, some barbecue. You see me, I say, some late night cooking, and we have some homemade fries soaking in some. We have some fries that soak right now. You see me, that's soaking in some salt water. So when you're ready, we just drain it and dry it a little bit with the paper towel. Drop it in the pot, and then you say, look at that! At the Top Chef. We're in the kitchen tonight, you know. Bless up, you know. How old is that? Yo, Rad, big up yourself, you know the thing go, you know. Thanks for the follow, you know the thing go. Welcome to the kitchen, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we have vibes out in the night, yeah. You see me, feel free if you share the live or tap it up a couple of times. You see me, we just have vibes out. Big up yourself. Selassie I. Ready to come out and all now. Yo, thanks for the badge, you know. Big up yourself, you know, the Top Chef. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. Make sure you know follow the page, you know. You see me? come back again. You hear? Come back again. Watch this. And get rid of the oil, you know. Want the pot fresh, you know? So we hold on. Give me a second there. Alright, turn it up. fry the fries on it. See, yeah, get rid of the water, you know. See, patoil, damn it. You could have seasoned it up, but you don't want to season it up, man. You just want some fresh fries right now. You know, salt is within night already. You just dry it, tap it. You see me? Piece of paper towel. That really a nice thing. You see me? Then we are going to bad up the sauce now. Yeah man, we're there, you know. Make sure you know follow the page, you know, thanks for the roads, you know the thing though, you know. Isn't it? How you going on? Happy them on. Alright. Simple. Barbecue sauce. Simple sauce. You have two different types of sauce. Put some honey in it. Honey. Alright, after that, you want a lemon, you know, but a green lime there, so that's where I use lemon juice. You see me? After that now, you want some brown sugar. 2 spoons. Robert, big up yourself, you know, you know the thing, you know. Long Island, the building, you know. Trust me, D. You know, sweet, man. Trust me, man. Trust me, man. You know, sweet, man. Remember, you eat it with the chicken, you know, man. Trust me, man. Trust me, man. You know, sweet, man. I do this a million times, man. When people eat this, the whole thing done. That me I tell you. Right now, me I go barbecue half, you know. And me have to go re-barbecue some more, you know. Yeah, man? Diabetes, that you ball down, Charmaine. No, sir. Ball down no diabetes for the thing, man. Big up yourself, same more, you know. But I know diabetes, isn't it? Alright, radiator blow. Yeah, man. Oh, that one. Yo, trust me, man. Trust me, I want bad sauce, isn't it? Yeah, man. Why for that, you? No sauce, you know. Look at that. Yeah, man, of the sauce that, you see me I say? Bad sauce. You see me I say honey barbecue, you see me? Well bad. You see me? Look at that. You see me I say? Yo, Robert, big up yourself, you know. You know the thing going on. The wing them there, you know, dry and wet, you know. Barbecue, you know. We have some homemade fries right there, so now. We have a body top right now. Not pasta, is fries, brother. Fries, some homemade fries. You know, it's frying in the oil. You know what I mean? KK, trust me, man. I regular me do this thing, you see me I say? It a go bad. You see me, I know enough how to eat Chinese food, you know. You see me, I don't know what they do around there. I don't know what they do around there. Yeah, man, this better than that. Better than Wingstop. You see me I say? Look at that. Yo, big up yourself, you know, KK. Yeah, man, Wesley, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, respect, you know. Yeah, man, that's just one of my sauces, isn't it? Yeah, man, I don't know diabetes thing, because we balance the thing. Look on the page. You see me? Robert, fix up the talking in the thing, man. Fix up the talking there. What that? You see me? I'm here the top chef, you know. Let them know, you know. You see me? Look at that. You see me? I say, it's dry right here, so better than Wingstop. You see me? And the barbecue ready, here, so. You see me? I say, and the sauce. Yeah, man. We have some fries on the stove. I go and fry up. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm here the top chef, man. You feel me? You can't please everybody, you know. You see me? So you have to just learn how to please who want to be pleased, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up KK. Thanks for the roses, you know? Yeah, man. So you just make that go and fry down, you know?
My words right and then approach you. I'm gonna treat you like a man is supposed to. You never have to cry. No, I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. She's royal, yeah, so royal, yeah. I want her in my life. I never know anyone. One of a kind.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know, Robert. You get what you say, man, you know? Yeah, man. Make sure you know follow the top chef, you know. I don't know we in the kitchen. Isn't it? Yeah, man. It's a natural beauty.
She's a queen. She's a queen. And when they ask what a good woman's made of, she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's royal, yeah, so royal. And I need her in my life. I never knew anyone
Yeah man, big up in our QDs. You see me? Yeah man, the Barbie Friday, you know. Well barbecue up in the special sauce, you know. Yeah man. Ready, you know. Well done. We wait on the homemade fries, isn't it? And like up the page, big up on yourself and like up the page. You see me I say if the food look good, just tap the like, tap up the screen. You see me I say share the live, do something. You see me I say talk to me. You see me? Yeah man, I'm the top chef man, look at that now. Follow me for all of your Jamaican recipes, you see me? Tap up the screen guys, tap up the screen. Yeah man, some homemade fries, you know? Yeah man, that's some homemade fries in the pot right there. And I'm big up in a KK. Yeah man. Yeah man, respect, you know, big up yourself, you know? Better than McDonald's fries, you know? That me I tell you, you know? Yeah man. Thanks for the share, everybody. Thanks for the follow. Big up on yourself, you see me I say? Yeah man, want it well grown up and thing. So it get brown already. Yeah man, back to the pot, you know. Yeah man, you know, so we're there, you know, food soon. Done a little late night snack, you know. You know me? But you don't know, you know, we have the juices where we blend up more time, you know, and them thing there, you know. Check out the page for all of the Jamaican recipes. Check out the page for my new recipe book, you know what I mean? The link in my bio. Yeah man, go grab that. Support the Top Chef, you know. Yeah man, Robert, big up yourself, yo. You know the thing going on. KK, thanks for the follow, you know. Cheryl, thanks for the share. Yeah man. We're there in our kitchen. Good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know, Robert. I mean, I appreciate you guys for sticking around, you know. My phone about to die right now, you see me? So soon come off of the live, make me see how much battery left. Good man. No man. Okay, when I look into your eyes, happy and free, I have to walk over and say, I need your name and number and where you reside. I need you by my side. Need your name and number and where you reside. Yeah man, pride done, you know. you reside. Making music. Look at the eye, you know. When nature call, standing tall. Right, bad man. Hey man, big up yourself, you know, Robert, you don't know. Mary, thanks for the follow. Food done, you know. So I go on, you know. How I look right now. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, Robert, bless up. Food done, you know. Little late night snack, you know. Make sure you know follow the top chef, you know. Yeah man, it's different tonight. Yeah man, on a Long Island, you don't know me there in the Bronx. Yeah man, big up everybody who pass through tonight, you know. You know, say until next time, you know what I mean? Pumpkin Maria, big up yourself tomorrow, bless up, you know what I mean? Follow the page and stay tuned. Yeah man, big up everybody who pass through. Everybody who click alive, everybody who did alright. Kiki, big up yourself, welcome to the kitchen. At the Top Chef. How the food looking? Yeah man. 2 steps away, man, but half an hour, 20 minutes, man, 25 minutes. You see me? Yeah, man. But big up everybody, we're gone. Everybody go purchase my recipe book. The link in my bio right now. You see me, I say? You get all of you get 5 of the Top Chef recipes. You see me, I say? Cheap. The link in my bio. Big up everybody. We out. Bless up.